just got done installing the Spider Web Sunshade, and I did a lot of research and I found that this is probably the best shade on the market. Super simple to install. Comes with these cool little pucks. You run screw up, you know, factory screw, same length, don't have to change anything. Pull it out, run it up in there, and put this thing in. Super simple. All the way around. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they've updated the design or something from their website, because normally they're only supposed to be 10, but they are now including 2 extras from the old style. 2 up here. Super simple to install. I chose the red, obviously, to go with the motif of the interior of this Rubicon. This is a 2018 JLU. In the instructions, it also says that you have to drop your windshield. I did not drop my windshield. All I did was I flicked my wipers up and out of the way, and I undid the 4 bolts. Super easy to get to. I just used my Milwaukee impact to get them out, and there are 2 of them. There's one here and one here, and then the same on the driver's side. And then all I did was hold it. Obviously I've got it done back up, but I just kind of pulled the windshield forward and held it with my hand, and then pushed these clips. They have a tang on them that comes back and up underneath the windshield molding, or the like a pinch weld almost. Holds in there really secure. Really awesome design. They send you a clear like bra stuff that goes underneath. This protects your paint. I took, it looks like crap, but it didn't like want to lay flat for me, just because I'm not a great decal installer. But other than that, I threw their sticker underneath, right in the center. But yeah, it looks awesome. I'm really happy with it. Super easy install. It's a good amount of shade to go as you're driving. Fits perfect. I can still get to all of my stuff to get my freedom tops off really easy. Once again, matches the red. Beautiful, fantastic. Haven't driven with it on yet, just barely got it put on. Took me longer to take my top off than it did to actually install the shade. So if you're looking for a sunshade, I highly recommend the Spider Webs. They yeah, awesome, absolutely fantastic. Super stoked on it. So anyway, cool.